Hello everyone, this is Liz with EC QuickBooks Training. Today I'm going to talk about how to create a journal entry in QuickBooks. Now this does require you to have basic knowledge of debits and credits. If you are not familiar, I would recommend that you let your bookkeeper or accountant handle the journal entries. But I wanted to show you how it works in QuickBooks and how the debits and the credits work. So first of all, what is a journal entry? Well, simply, a journal entry is an accounting entry that has a debit and that has a credit. And what can you use the journal entry for? Well, there's three scenarios. The first one is to transfer money between income and expense. The other is to transfer money from an asset, liability, or equity account into an income and expense. And you can also use journal entries as the traditional system of accounting where you use debits and credits. I will be showing you these three scenarios in QuickBooks Online and the QuickBooks Desktop. Now, if you would like a quick refresher of debits and credits, I do have a Skillshare class that I will link below called Introduction to QuickBooks Bookkeeping Basics, where it will go through debits and credits and the accounting equation and how it works in the back end in QuickBooks. You will get 2 months free if you click on the link below. And I also have other QuickBooks videos that are not on YouTube or my website. So I will link that below. So let's get started on creating a journal entry. First, let's go to QuickBooks Online and we're going to create an income journal entry. We're going to click on the plus sign, plus icon, and then we're going to go to journal entry. So let's create an income entry account. So I want to say that I received $100 for the service I provide. So I'm going to select my checking account and I'm going to debit that. And I'm going to put a description like provided services. And then I'm going to go to my income accounts and I'm going to put designed income and it's going to be a credit. And that's going to be recorded on my profit and loss for my income and my balance sheet as my asset checking account. So I'm going to save and new. Now let's say that let's do a journal entry for a fixed asset. Let's say I want to record depreciation for the truck that I have. I want to record a cumulative depreciation. So I'm going to click on the asset account, which is depreciation, or it should be titled accumulative depreciation, and that's going to be a credit. And let's say I'm going to do $100 to record accumulative depreciation for truck for December. And then we're going to select the expense account, which is depreciation, and it should be under other expense, and that's a debit. And QuickBooks is going to bring down the same description as the previous one, and that's how you record from a fixed asset to an expense account. Now, if we go into the QuickBooks Desktop version, we go to Company, then Make Journal Entry, and we're going to record a purchase of office supplies from the checking account. So we're going to go Business Account, we're going to credit $100, purchased office supplies. And then we're going to do office supplies, $100. And that's how you record a journal entry. Usually we do debits first and then credits. But as you can see, your total debits should equal your total credits. And that's what I wanted to show you today. I hope that you like this video? If so, give thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to receive more to QuickBooks tutorials, and I will see you on the next one.